Friends, if you've been using AI tools for content creation, you probably know how messy things get very quickly. One tool for video, another for images, something else for effects, and you're constantly switching between tabs, copying prompts, and trying to keep everything consistent. And the more tools you use, the more time you actually lose. My name is Daniel, and today we're taking a look at WeryAI. It's a platform that combines multiple AI tools into one place. So instead of jumping between different apps, you can generate videos, images, and creative content in a single workflow. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's see how it works. My friends, WeryAI is an AI platform that brings multiple models into one place and turns them into a single workflow. Instead of using separate apps for video and image generation, everything is available inside one interface. You can switch between different models, generate content, and test results without leaving the platform. Guys, the main idea here is simplicity. You don't need to manage multiple tools or learn different systems. Everything works in a consistent way. So once you understand the flow, you can apply it across different models. At the same time, you still have flexibility to choose how you create content and which model you want to use. So instead of working with separate tools, it feels like one system where everything is connected. Folks, I'm inside WeryAI, and right away you can see how everything is structured. At the top you have the main workspace, where you can switch between chat, image, video, music, and different toolkits. So instead of opening separate apps, everything is already grouped in one place, depending on what you want to create. And below that, you can see a library of AI models that you can use. These are different tools for video and image generation, and you can choose between them depending on your task. That includes video generation options like Sora style systems, Runway, and Seedance 2.0, as well as image models like Nano Banana and WeryAI Image. So right from the start, mates, the idea is simple. You're not working with one tool, you're working with a full set of AI models inside one platform. Now let's generate a video and see how this works in practice. I'm going to select Seedance here, since it's focused on smooth motion and more cinematic results. Once the model is selected, the process is very straightforward. We simply generate the video based on a prompt. I just describe the scene, define the idea, and let the system handle the execution. And right here, I can also control the main settings, depending on my use case, the video duration, the format, and other parameters before generating. For this example, I'm setting it to around 5 seconds, which works well for quick tests and short content. Folks, so instead of building everything step by step, I can generate a full video directly inside the platform. Now let's generate an image. I'll use Nano Banana 2 here, since it's fast and works well for clean stylized visuals. Mates, just like before, everything works through a prompt. I describe the scene, define the style, and generate the result. And I think this is useful in a business workflow, because you can quickly create visuals for your content. And later, you can reuse these images as references for videos or other assets. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, this is where it becomes more interesting. Now let's take this a bit further and reuse what we just created. I'll open the image we generated, just to take a closer look at it. You can see the lighting, the composition, and the overall style. Now, instead of leaving it here, I can use this image as a reference. So I go back to video generation and open the model again. And here, in the reference section, I can upload the image. This helps guide the visual style and keeps the result more consistent. Guys, instead of starting from scratch, I can build on top of what I already generated. You can see how fast you can move between formats, from idea to image, from image to video, all inside one place. And that's really the core advantage. So mates, what makes WeryAI interesting is not just the individual tools, it's the fact that everything is combined into one system. Instead of managing multiple subscriptions and workflows, you get access to different models in one place. From a practical standpoint, that means less friction, faster creation, and more flexibility. This is especially useful if you're creating content regularly and need to move quickly. And if you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. New users get 20 free credits upon sign-up, and you can also get 50% of the annual subscription. So it's a good way to test the platform and see how it fits your workflow. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.